Take control of your inbox, delete all chat in Deepseek and enjoy your fresh start within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to delete all chats in Deepseek. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Deepseek app to open it. Once you're in the app, tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the app side menu. In the menu, tap on your email address at the bottom of the list to access your account settings. You're fine and tap the delete all option. This will initiate the process of clearing your chat history. A confirmation message will appear. Tap confirm deletion to proceed. All your chats will be permanently deleted. Your inbox will be cleared and you can start fresh. So this is how to delete all chat in Deepseek. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.